被动菜我记得绕背，莫龙背和我哪里生吧。
Knowledge woven in every thread. A simple phrase, yet within it lives the heartbeat of every mother's love. It carries generations of stories, sacrifices, and strength. It carries the weight of every lesson whispered, every tradition passed down, and every act of love that shapes who we become. Here I, Nali Bang, create my outfit called Ling Nia So You Here A You So Game Bo Shua, which translates to the mother who sews you and carries your dreams. Knowledge does not begin in books or classrooms. It begins in the arms that first held us, the backs that carried us, and in the voices that whispered lessons long before we understood them. It begins with mothers, the first teachers we ever knew. On my back, I carry irania, or a baby carrier. To others, this is just a piece of fabric, but to us, it is a story. Every stitch, every faded thread, every soft, worn edge holds a story of a mother who carries her child through heat, rain, and exhaustion. This carrier represents the protection she gives, the way she shields her child from harm, and the way she lifts and supports them long before they walk and stand on their own. The flowers are her children that she carries as they are younglings. They then become the hopes and dreams as she carries them into the future. And from my wrist to these babies flow a red string, a symbol of blood, sacrifice, and the sacred connection between mother and child. And when you are in your mother's stomach, she has already sewn you your first shirt, the skin you wear. Her veins are the threads that sew you together, the veins through which knowledge travels, connecting us to the woman who gave us breath. It is a reminder that our existence is because of her strength, and that our growth continues because of her teachings. Around me, a pandao in the making. The story unfolds in the untold story of what a mother gives. She not only teaches you how to cook, clean, and care for yourself, but how to work hard, how to treat others with respect, and how to be humble. And as you grow up, she becomes a silent foundation beneath your success, pushing you towards your education, encouraging your dreams, and giving you the opportunities she's never had for herself. She sews every piece of knowledge she has into you, even when she has little left for herself. And one day, you will carry that knowledge and wisdom into your own family, your own life, your own home. Too often, we forget the depth of our mothers' sacrifices. We are shaped by our mothers, guided by their teachings. And that is why mothers are the knowledge woven in every thread. Through their stories, their wisdom, their pain, and their love, they weave us into the people we become. Mothers are the first to weave us into who we are, and the last to ever stop loving us. Thank you.